Have you ever watched an outstanding virtual presentation or a performance online and thought, how can I learn to present like that? Nowadays, presenting virtually is a crucial skill, but it's one that anyone can develop. So let me tell you how. I'm Neba from Prezi's editorial team, and our passion is to improve the way people present in remote and hybrid work environments. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 6 tactics used by virtual presentation masters that you can use to make your online presentations, meetings, and speeches more impactful. So let's dive right in. One of the most straightforward things to do is build a proper home studio setup. So what does that mean? First, make sure that you're 2 to 3 feet back from your camera. Second, set up your lighting. Even a cheap ring light can make a huge difference and make you look more confident and professional. And third, think about your background. What does it say about you as a professional? But sure, the physical environment is just one small part of the presentation. The most crucial factor is planning. Ensure that you're totally aware of the purpose and message you want to deliver through your presentation. Keeping the goal top of mind throughout your presentation will help make it relevant and focused. And remember, the goal should also be relevant to your audience. Sometimes a group just wants to have fun. Other times, everything has to be a little more serious and tactical. So just be aware of the feeling that you're getting from your audience and adjust your story to it. And here's the next challenge. You can't achieve the presentation's goal if the story feels disjointed. Another secret ingredient of a successful presentation is a good segue. When delivering any kind of presentation, make sure that you know the next slide and set it up before you even click on it. So basically, this one's about storytelling. It matters. We all know that keeping the audience engaged with your virtual presentation can be a challenge for most of us. One trick to keeping them engaged is to change your presenting mode every 1 to 3 minutes. How can you do that? You can switch your visuals, you can tell a new story, or you can ask for feedback in the chat. Interaction is the key. Or you can also try this. You can use Prezi Video's different view modes to change the focus of your presentation. So here I can highlight important information by making it full screen and clicking in, or I can switch it back to just myself. And that way I can deliver a more personal connection. And then when I want to bring the content back up, all I have to do is click into it. One more tip, remember the 3 E's: energy, enthusiasm, and excitement. Your energy level as a presenter will set the tone for the audience. Showing your enthusiasm and excitement in a virtual presentation will make the audience feel the positivity and feel more connected to you. Moreover, try to operate between 80 to 100% of your energy level throughout most of the session to hold your audience's attention and engagement. And finally, the top tip we already do every day: smile. Smiling is contagious. It will change your energy and it will absolutely change your audience's energy. It works as a mere effect. Smiling audience always starts with a smiling speaker, and then it turns into an engaged and fully present listener. So let's wrap this up and reiterate our learnings. First, set up a home studio. Next, clarify the purpose or goal of your presentation. And then unite all the content into one story, engage your audience, develop the 3 E's: energy, enthusiasm, excitement, and finally, smile. It's a super powerful asset you should use while speaking. If you've picked up any online presentation tips, we'd love to hear them, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. And here's one more tip from me. Stop the slide share during meetings and presentations and stay connected with your remote audiences by using Prezi Video. You can see just here, I'm able to put the visuals right on the screen with me and even include some GIFs. So this video, as I said, was made with Prezi Video. It's really easy to use in live presentations and recorded videos like you're watching. So try it out and enjoy the wow effect that you'll get from your audience. And subscribe to our channel to see other videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Thanks.